the y-axis.
Yep. It's Z and Y.
Okay. So if we now turn it back on, that gives us an idea of it, what it's doing, and then we'll...
Hopefully the oil on, it's hard to see it move. It don't move very much. Because the distance of the tool is only doing a Z move of 350, so it's getting most of it with the tool. It's hard to glare. It's actually a really good thing. Holds a really tight time. Help at all.
Okay. Okay, we're going to try to show what that is running.
Like it's moving all in the Y2 axis.
Y2 axis right now is moving. Here's that little part. I can show them what that actually is doing. That little... This is the little piece right there that it is cutting. Okay.